What's up? I'm David from ChefsTemp. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Breezo fan with the ProTemp S1. Let's dive in and see what's included with the fan. Inside the fan package, you'll find the Breezo fan, Kamado style steel adapters, high temperature tubes, USB-C cables, and a 5-volt power adapter. We'll be giving you step-by-step instructions for how to install the ChefsTemp Breezo fan on a Weber Kettle. To install it, all we'll need is a drill, some painter's tape, an M35 step drill bit, and one titanium drill bit, as well as a marker or pencil. Step 1 will be to move your damper blades back and forth in order to make sure that the Breezo fan won't be blocked by the blades as you open and close them. Next, we're going to put down some blue painter's tape and draw a few lines so that we can outline where the damper blades sit inside of the grill. Next, add your bottom grate and add another outline with your marker. In the center of these 3 points is where we want to install the fan. This is where we're going to grab our titanium drill bit and drill a pilot hole, which should only take a second. From there, grab your M35 step drill bit and start drilling until you reach a 1¼ inch diameter hole. Keep a ruler handy so you can measure and make sure that you're drilling the hole to the right size. This should only take a minute or so. Once you have the proper sized hole, grab your Breezo fan and get ready to install it. Remove the nut and the screw, and then line up your spring and screw it back into the fan. And that's it, your fan is ready to install after that. Remove the tape from your kettle and squeeze the spring together until you can insert it into the hole that you've drilled. Congratulations, your Breezo fan is installed, and you can start enjoying one of the easiest grilling experiences you've ever had with a Weber Kettle. For Kamado style grills, use the mounting plate included in the fan package to secure it in place. And for offset smokers, you can attach the fan using the Kamado style plate inside the firebox door, or drill a 1¼ inch hole to mount the fan directly and seal other gaps with high temperature tape. Now let's connect your Breezo fan to power and the ProTemp S1. Use the USB-A to USB-C cable from the package and connect it to a power source or a power bank. The fan has 2 USB-C ports and either one works. Press the power button on the fan to switch it on. This is the only button on the fan. You can press it to switch between weak wind mode, strong wind mode, or off. If needed, long press the button to manually pair the fan with the S1, but it should connect wirelessly most of the time. Make sure your ProTemp S1 is powered on. The fan will connect wirelessly with the S1. Now open the ChefsTemp app on your phone. Go to the fan section and control it with 2 modes. For timer mode, you can set how long you want the fan to run and choose between weak and strong wind options. For temperature mode, set your desired ambient temperature and the fan will automatically maintain it. And that's it. You're now ready to use the Breezo fan with your ProTemp S1. For more on ChefsTemp products or the ProTemp S1, visit our website or subscribe to our channel. Remember, the ProTemp S1 helps you smarten your grill in a snap.